Hello world, welcome back to Tom's Garage. Today, it has been about 60 days now since I first met you. Since I bought that pow. Well, that's been a good one, man. You hardly ever hear that running when I'm doing a video. Nice, it's been a nice compressor, it really has. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to see how much water is inside that tank. It's been 60 days. You remember back in September, I think I'd done that video about that little pancake compressor I used to keep under the workbench. I think it was down there for a little over a year. Man, that thing was full of water. Ooh. So I tell you what, let's first thing I'm gonna do, first thing I gotta do, blow the dust off of it. Yeah. Oh, let's cut it off. Right there. Click. Now it's off. Now it's off. And what I'll do here, I'm gonna set the camera up. Set the camera up. Yep. I'll just put this in the vise. Let's blow the air out. Well, that could take a minute. Sounds like a plane taking off, don't it? All right. Let's see, let's pull it out just a little bit. It's got a little pan, it's got a little plug, you just turn it down and it'll blow everything out. I'm gonna wait till it gets to absolute zero. I don't wanna blow my fingers off. Then I'll stick this little pan under it and open the valve. And we're gonna find out if anything's in it. This is something you gotta do regularly. Well, I'll tell you, if there was a way, I would love to be able to spray some strike hold through that valve up inside the tank and let it kind of work its way around. I'm gonna see if I can do that. We are still at 60. 60. We're still at 60. I had to get a new air gun because I broke my other one trying to put a new fitting in it when I replaced that fitting. But see, this one has got two holes on the side. So when you stick that down in something, it don't get the full blast, it'll come out the sides instead of doing what I wanted to do. I got that at O'Reilly Auto Parts for about $12, and I just don't like it because of them holes in the side. I think about cutting it off just before them holes. Oh, about 30. We'll just let her. There's got to be another thing you can pull to release all the air pressure. There it is. There it is right there. Yep, we got it. There we go. Let me grab a screwdriver. Oh, rain is hard to hang on to. There you go. Almost a zero. Okay. All right, I believe we're there. Let's stick a screwdriver back in the shelf. Little craftsman set. You know who you are, and I appreciate that. Okay. All right, let me set the camera down. Oh God. Yeah. Let's see, where you at, little valve? Ow. Oh God, that thing is full. Look at that. Holy moly. Look at that. This thing's not 2 months old. Good grief. Wow. That thing is slap full of water. Huh. I'm gonna turn it back on and let it build just a little bit and blow it out the bottom. Man, that is almost scary. Golly. Whoa, let me get off my knees. Oh, man. Don't dump it on that guy's tractor. Goodness gracious. Look at all that water. Look at it. Wow. Okay. Wow. Man, I had no idea. I had no idea nobody thinks about their compressors. I'm gonna see if I can get this can strike hole to spray up in there. See how well this can will spray sideways. I'm gonna try to get it right up in that valve. Get all up in that valve there, boy. Oh yeah, I hear it spraying inside. Now let me close the valve real quick. Whew. Hey, what's going on? I'm making a video. Let me hit the pause button. All right, I always love it when a customer walks up thinking I'm crazy talking to myself, but I'm making a video. Just slide this thing back in place. Ooh, I can't believe the water that was in this thing. And we'll let her pump back up. Valve's closed, everything's hooked up. I got my air hose all wrapped up in the floor. Well, all right, there you go, man. Guys, y'all keep an eye on your air compressors, man. Don't forget about draining them. This is the first time I even thought about it. I've been so busy this season. I thought, well, maybe I better drain it. And I'm glad I filmed it, because y'all wouldn't have believed it if I told you. Y'all be good, be real good. And I love you guys and girls for watching the video, and we'll see y'all on the next one.